In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily create a group on Roblox. Anyone can create such a group very easily. In this group, you can talk with your friends through voice chat and also chat through text. So follow my mobile screen step by step, otherwise you won't fully understand it properly. So first of all, you need to tap on start party option. After that, select the friends you want. I am selecting my friends now. Tap on start button. If you accept the active friend request, the group will be created. You can chat with friends here. You can view your group to see how it's doing, manage it and create a name for it. If there is a group, you can tag leave. You can change the group name from here. Clicking on the save button will save your group name. Your group will be completed in Create. I hope you understand how to create a group. So if you enjoyed this video or if you are a Roblox player, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell all. Thank you so much.